In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple sign-up form using Google Forms. This process is fast and straightforward, perfect for capturing the information you need efficiently. First, let's head over to Google Drive. Just open your browser and type in drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a new button on the left side. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to Google Forms. This will open up an array of template options, but for our purposes today, we'll select a blank form. Starting with a blank slate allows us to customize the form to meet our specific needs without any pre-existing clutter. Now that your blank form is open, let's give it a name. Naming your form is key because it helps you organize and identify your form quickly, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms. It could be something simple like sign up form. Next, we're going to adjust some settings to make the process smoother for our respondents. And to ensure the information we collect is useful, click on the settings gear icon. Here you can see the responses section. By clicking on this, you'll be able to set it up so that when someone fills out your form, their email address is automatically collected. This feature is particularly helpful if you plan to follow up or send confirmations once they've submitted their information. Once that's set, let's switch back to the questions tab. This is where we start building the actual questions for our form. Click on the plus button to add your first question. A good starting point is to ask for the respondent's full name. For this, select the short answer option from the drop-down menu. It's concise and gets the job done. Remember to make essential questions required by toggling the required switch at the bottom right of the question box. That way, respondents can't skip over important questions. Moving on, add another question, perhaps using checkboxes this time if you want them to select multiple options from a list. This could be useful if you're asking about preferences or experiences related to the purpose of your form. Once you're satisfied with all your questions, it's time to publish your form. Click the send button. This will bring up a box where you can copy the link to the form to share it with your audience. Sharing the form is as easy as pasting the link into an email, a social media post, or embedding it into your website. For additional functionality, like receiving notifications when someone completes the form, go to add-ons and search for form notifications. Install this application, follow the prompts to enable it, and you're all set. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a functional sign-up form. This tool will help you gather the information you need effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Google form creation.